Not sure how to use your AUX AC remote? Model number YKR-K/002E. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your AUX AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. The speed button lets you adjust the fan speed of the AC. You can cycle through options like auto, low, medium, and high, depending on your comfort needs. The timer button allows you to set your AC to turn on or off automatically at a specified time. Change the time using the temperature up or down buttons, and the unit will follow the schedule for comfort and energy efficiency. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Air direction controls let you guide the airflow exactly where you want it. Use the vertical swing button to move the louvers up and down, and the horizontal swing button to adjust them left and right. Press the strong button to instantly boost your AC to maximum power, cooling or heating your room faster than normal mode. It's perfect for when you need quick comfort on hot or cold days. Press the feeling button to let your AC adjust temperature based on the remote's sensor. This ensures personalized comfort exactly where you are in the room. Clean button activates the AC's self-cleaning function. When pressed, the indoor unit runs a special cycle that removes dust, dirt, and moisture from the evaporator. The health mode button activates special features like air purification or ionizer functions in the AC. It helps remove dust, bacteria, and allergens from the air, ensuring cleaner and healthier indoor air quality. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. Press the screen button to turn the display light of your AC on or off. It's ideal for reducing brightness at night and creating a comfortable sleep environment. Press the fungus-proof button to activate a drying cycle that removes moisture inside your AC. This helps prevent mold growth and keeps the air cleaner and healthier. Press and hold the temperature up arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your AUX AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.